Imagine possessing the power of electricity 2,000 years before it was officially discovered. That's the enigma of the Baghdad Battery. If you're intrigued by mysteries of the past, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. In the heart of Iraq, a mystifying artifact was found: a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod, the components of an enigma that has puzzled historians and scientists alike. This is no ordinary archaeological find. This is the Baghdad Battery, a possible testament to ancient electrical knowledge far ahead of its time. Could our ancestors have harnessed the power of electricity before Benjamin Franklin flew his kite? Could this seemingly simple artifact have functioned as an ancient galvanic cell, sparking a primitive form of electrotherapy or electroplating? Theories abound, yet the true purpose of the Baghdad Battery remains shrouded in mystery. So, buckle up as we journey back in time to ancient Mesopotamia and unlock the secrets of the Baghdad Battery. The Baghdad Battery, a relic of the past, transports us to ancient Mesopotamia, a cradle of civilization. This modest artifact, a humble assemblage of a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod, has sparked an intellectual fervor that endures to this day. Discovered in Iraq in 1936, the Baghdad Battery is believed to have its roots in either the Parthian or Sassanid period. The Parthians, a formidable power from 150 BC to 223 AD, were known for their advancements in metallurgy and architecture. The Sassanid period, spanning from 224 to 650 AD, was equally illustrious, marked by significant contributions to science, medicine, and art. However, the exact age of this intriguing artifact remains elusive. The initial excavation in the vicinity of Kujut Rabu, near the ancient royal city of Ctesiphon, left much to be desired in terms of recorded details. This oversight, an unfortunate consequence of the era, has cast a veil of mystery over the Baghdad Battery. Its age, its purpose, its very existence is a puzzle waiting to be solved. Despite the uncertainty, the Baghdad Battery's form offers some clues. The style of the pottery, indicative of the Sassanid period, hints at a timeline. But without concrete evidence, this remains just an educated guess. The artifact's discovery near other similar objects, believed to be storage vessels for sacred scrolls, adds another layer of complexity to the puzzle. It raises questions about the battery's purpose. Was it a part of a larger system? Was it used for religious rituals? Or was it, as some believe, an ancient tool for electrotherapy or electroplating? The Baghdad Battery, in its simplicity, holds a complex tale of human ingenuity. It's a testament to the intellectual curiosity of ancient civilizations, their relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. But it's also a reminder of the gaps in our historical narrative, the unanswered questions that drive our quest for discovery. The Baghdad Battery, with its uncertain origins, continues to fuel debates among historians and scientists alike. What if I told you that a simple ceramic pot could potentially be an ancient electrical device? The Baghdad Battery, an artifact cloaked in mystery, is composed of a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod. But how could these simple components potentially create electricity? Let's dive into the science of it. When we look at the Baghdad Battery, we're essentially looking at a basic galvanic cell. A galvanic cell generates electricity through a chemical reaction, and in this case, the copper tube and iron rod could serve as the electrodes, while the ceramic pot could have held an electrolyte, a substance that conducts electricity by moving ions. When the copper tube, or the cathode, is submerged in an electrolyte and is connected to the iron rod or the anode, a redox reaction could occur. This reaction involves the transfer of electrons from the anode to the cathode, creating an electrical current. This is essentially how a simple battery works. But here's the catch. The voltage produced by the Baghdad Battery, if it indeed functioned as a battery, would have been quite low. And without evidence of ancient wiring or devices that could use this electricity, the idea that it was used as a battery becomes a bit of a stretch. However, low voltage doesn't necessarily mean it couldn't have been used for something. Some theories suggest that it could have been used for electroplating, a process that uses electricity to coat an object in a thin layer of metal. Others suggest it may have been used for mild electrotherapy or pain relief. But we must remember that these are all theories. Without definitive evidence, we can only speculate on the true purpose and functionality of the Baghdad Battery. We're left with a scientific curiosity, a puzzle that dares us to imagine the technological possibilities of the ancient world. While the science intrigues us, the true purpose of the Baghdad Battery remains a mystery. From an ancient pain reliever to a sacred scroll holder, The theories surrounding the Baghdad Battery are as varied as they are fascinating. The Baghdad Battery, a term coined for this unique artifact, has sparked numerous debates and theories since its discovery. Its uncanny resemblance to a galvanic cell has led many to propose that it may have been used for electroplating or electrotherapy. Imagine an ancient civilization using electric current for pain relief or to gild their precious artifacts. Yet these claims have not gone unchallenged. Skeptics point out that the artifact's low voltage, coupled with a lack of evidence for ancient wiring knowledge, casts serious doubt on its functionality as a battery. They argue that we might be reading too much into a simple pottery design. Adding another layer to the mystery, some propose that the Baghdad Battery may have served religious or ritualistic purposes. The artifacts were discovered in the vicinity of what are believed to be storage vessels for sacred scrolls. Could it be that this contraption had a spiritual significance rather than a practical one? The dating of the Baghdad Battery itself is a subject of academic dispute. While Wilhelm Koenig, the man who first recognized its potential significance, dated it to the Parthian period, others suggest a Sassanid origin. This discrepancy further complicates our understanding of this puzzling artifact. Despite the various theories, there's a common thread. The Baghdad Battery, whether a battery or not, symbolizes an advanced understanding of materials and their interactions. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors and their ceaseless quest for knowledge. These theories, while intriguing, leave us with more questions than answers. But isn't that the beauty of delving into the past? It's a complex puzzle where every piece, including the Baghdad Battery, adds a new dimension to our understanding of human history. In the quest for truth, modern science has attempted to replicate the Baghdad Battery. The journey into the world of ancient technology has been both intriguing and thought-provoking, as researchers and scientists alike have attempted to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic artifact. In these experimental pursuits, the Baghdad Battery has been reconstructed numerous times using the same materials as the original: a ceramic pot, a copper tube, and an iron rod. Scientists have filled these replicas with various electrolytes, such as vinegar or lemon juice, to attempt to generate electricity. These experiments have indeed produced a small amount of electric current, however the voltage is very low, often less than a volt. This has led some to question if the Baghdad Battery could have been used for any practical application, such as electroplating or electrotherapy, as previously hypothesized. Moreover, these experiments have been unable to provide any evidence of ancient wiring, or an understanding of electricity in ancient Mesopotamia. This has further fueled the skepticism of those who question the battery theory, arguing instead for other uses of the artifact, such as a storage vessel for sacred scrolls. Despite these challenges, the modern experiments have contributed significantly to our understanding of the Baghdad Battery. They have shown us that it is indeed possible for the artifact to generate an electric current, albeit a small one. But more importantly, these experiments have sparked a broader conversation about the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations. Whether a battery or not, the Baghdad Battery undeniably presents a fascinating glimpse into the technological prowess of ancient civilizations. This small ceramic pot, with its copper tube and iron rod, continues to challenge our perceptions of the past, reminding us that there is always more to discover and understand about our extraordinary human history. The Baghdad Battery, a testament to ancient ingenuity, continues to electrify our curiosity. We've journeyed through its historical context, delved into its scientific workings, and explored the various theories that continue to fuel debates in academic circles. We've seen how this simple clay pot, copper cylinder, and iron rod, discovered in the vicinity of the ancient royal city of Ctesiphon, have the potential to rewrite our understanding of ancient civilizations and their technological advancements. The Baghdad Battery, whether it served as a vessel for sacred scrolls, a tool for electrotherapy, or a primitive source of electricity, stands as a symbol of the boundless potential of human innovation, transcending time and space. In the modern world, we've attempted to replicate its design, to harness its power, but the mystery of its true purpose remains. So, as we switch off this discussion, remember, history often holds more voltage than we give it credit for.